Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Supergrads IPM, and here we are continuing our series of 60 handpicked questions from actual CAT examination, and these are the questions which you can see in your IPMAT entrance exams as well. Why we have planned this series? We have discussed this multiple times. Again, I am telling you the same thing, that these are the questions coming from the same sources which make your examination, which make your test. So there are chances that these concepts or these questions might get repeated. So in order to have a hang of the level of difficulty, the type of approaches and the type of questions to solve, we are going ahead with this session. Let's jump on to what we have done. So we are done with number system, set theory, coordinate geometry, equations, arithmetic 1 and arithmetic 2. Today we are doing arithmetic 3, which is your time and work. So today we will be solving few questions which will be based on time and work, and here we go. This is the first question, but the thing is, you should make a promise that you are not cheating. You should pause the video before watching the solution part of the video, before jumping on the solution. So here your time begins. Pause the video, try it yourself, and then play the video to watch the solution. Gautam and Suhani working together can finish a work in 20 days. If Gautam does only 60% of his usual work, so we can write the equation, let the efficiency of Gautam be G and Suhani be S. Working together for 20 days can complete the work. If Gautam works at 60% of the efficiency, that is 3 by 5 of Gautam, plus Suhani must work 150, that is 3 by 2 of Suhani, multiplied by 20 again to complete the work, to make up for it. Make up for it means they plan to work it in 20 days. Divide these two equations, 20 gets cancelled, work get cancelled. You get G plus S is equal to 3 by 5 of G plus 3 by 2 of S. So it will be 2 by 5 of G is equal to 1 by 2 of S. So G by S is equal to, this goes this side, 5 by 4. So the efficiency of Gautam is 5. The efficiency of Sehani is 4 units per day. This is the ratio of efficiency. Then the number of days required by the faster worker. He is the faster worker because its efficiency is high. So to complete the job. So let's calculate what is the total job. 5 plus 4 multiplied by 20 is your total work. So work is equal to 180. So how many days the faster worker will take? Faster worker is Gautam, and how long will he take? 180 by 5, which means only 36 days. So the answer is 36 days. Very simple question. Now only catch is forming the equations. Let's jump on to the next part. If you feel like you have not understood, re-watch, replay, and obviously let us know in the comment section how many of you got the answers correct. Now here again the next question is on the screen. Pause the video here. Yes, pause the video here. Try it by yourself and then jump on to the solution part. Working alone, the times taken by Anu, Tanu and Manu complete any job in the ratio 5 is to 8 is to 10. They accept a job which they finish in 4 days if they all work together for 8 hours per day. So working alone, they take 5, 8 and 10. So their time duration is 5, 8 and 10. This is the ratio of their time. So if I want to calculate the ratio of their efficiency, so the ratio of their efficiency will be 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon 8 is to 1 upon 10, which can be written as, this comes out to be 80 this comes out to be 50, this comes out to be 40. Or I can say the ratio of their efficiency is 8 is to 5 is to 4. This is the ratio of their efficiency. You can check 8 into 5, 40, 8 into 5, 40, 10 into 4, 40. So this is the ratio of their efficiency. Okay. However, Anu and Tanu, so they accept, so this is their efficiency per hour. So what will be the total work? How we can calculate the total work? We can calculate it by anyone, that 8 into 5. 8 is the units done, 5 is the time taken. In which they can finish, they accept the job which they can finish in 4 days if they all work together for 8 hours per day. So the work is equal to how much they are contributing. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4 is 17. So they are contributing 17 units per hour into 8 into 4. This is, we are using which equation? M1 D1 H1 is equal to M2. However, Anu and Tanu work together for first 6 days. So M1 D1 H1 should be equal to, since they are completing the same work, should be equal to Anu and Tanu. So who first two are Anu and Tanu. Anu is completing at a rate of 8 units per hour plus Tanu is completing at a rate of 5 units per hour, and they are working for how many days? 6 days. And for how many hours? 6 hours 40 minutes. So 6 hours 40 minutes can be written as 6 plus 2 by 3, that is 20 by 3 days, plus the number of hours Manu will take to complete the remaining job. So here Manu, the efficiency of Manu is 4 and the number of hours Manu will take is X. So this is the work done by Anu and Tanu together, and this is the work done by Manu, and all of them working together complete the given work which was given earlier. So if I solve this, I get 13 into 2, 26, 26 into 2, 520 plus 4x is equal to 520 plus 4x is equal to 17 into 8 into 4, and here you can cancel 4. This becomes 130 plus x, and this is 17 into 8. 17 into 8 is how much? 56. 5 carry. 8 plus 5 is 13, 136. So from here I get the value of x as 6. So how many hours did she take alone? That is 6 more hours she has to work to complete the remaining work. Got it? So the simple catch is equating the work done by the first group with the work done by the second group. So M1 D1 H1, it was direct, but here M1 D1 and H1 was different, and for the third person it is totally different. So when it becomes different, it starts getting added. I suppose you got this, right? Let's proceed to the next part. Here also, pause the video here. Pause your video. Try it by yourself and then jump on to the solution part. So what is given here? A group of N workers worked on a project. They finished 35% of the project by working 7 hours a day for 10 days. So let the efficiency of worker be X multiplied by D1 multiplied by H1, M1 D1 H1 is equal to 35% of work. From here I can get what is the total units of work. So this cancels 35 as 2. So 200x is the total work. So you got the work in terms of x. We are sorted till here. Now let's look at it, what is happening. Thereafter 10 people left the group. If 10 people left the group, so initially x people were working. 10 people left the group. So how many people will be working? X minus 10. And the remaining people finish the rest of the job in 14 days. So x minus 10 into 14 days by working 10 hours a day into 10 into how many days? 14 days is equal to rest of the work. So rest of the work is how much? 65% of the total work. Work is given as 200x. Got this part or not? Thereafter, 10 people left the group, so the number of people is x minus 10. They worked for 10 hours a day for 14 days and finished the work, remaining work in 14 days. Remaining work, so 35% is already done. The remaining work is 65%. We have already calculated the work in terms of x. So if I solve this, I get it as 0 से 0 cancel कर दिया and then 2 से ये cancel करके 10 बना दिया, ये 7 बना दिया. Now I will get 7x minus 70 is equal to 0 से 0 cancel कर दिया is equal to 6.5. So 7x is equal to 6.5 plus 670. So that will be 76.5. So x is equal to 65% of the remaining work. So let's solve it in another method because I hate fractions. So remaining people are x minus 10. They are working for 10 hours a day for 14 days to complete the remaining work. Remaining work is 65% of 200x. Two zeros get cancelled and 65 into 2 is 130x is equal to, from here I get 140x minus 1400. So 10x is equal to 1400. So x is equal to 140. Since x is equal to 140, so they are asking me that only. They are asking me a group of n people. So this x is equal to n only. So the answer is B, Bombay. So we're getting it very directly. That is why I changed the approach rather than solving the equation. So see, this happens. I tried to cancel it here and what has happened? It complicated my calculation. पहले cancel करो, बाद में उसको वापस से multiply करो. उससे बेहतर है कुछ भी मत करो, वैसे ही लिखा रहने दो. Automatically numbers इतने आसान आएंगे कि solve हो जाएगा. Got this part? So please let me know in the comment section that कितने लोगों ने ये सही solve कर लिया था and with this minimal framework. इतने मिनिमम फ्रेमवर्क के साथ कितने लोगों ने सेम अप्रोच फॉलो की थी, और अगर नहीं की थी तो गो अहेड, note down this approach in your formula book because this will serve as a revision, because I have kept all variety of questions in this session so that you get the revision of comprehensive time and work when it comes to your examination कि बिल्कुल power revision हो जाए आपका. Next, two pipes A and B are attached to an empty water tank. Pipe A fills the tank while pipe B drains it. If pipe A is opened at 2 p.m., how many of you are listening? Please do not play the video. Pause it here. Try it by yourself and then come to the solution part. Okay. So again, two pipes A and B are attached. Pipe A fills the V. Pipe A is an inlet pipe and pipe B is an outlet pipe. If pipe A is opened at 2 p.m. and pipe B is opened at 3 p.m., this is open time is 2 p.m. and pipe B is opened at 3 p.m. Okay. Then it becomes full at 10 p.m. So full time is 10 p.m. So how long did it work? 2 minus 10, that is 8 hours. How long did this work? 3 minus 10, that is 7 hours. Instead, so how we can write, suppose A has a capacity of A. So 8A minus 7B is equal to the capacity of water tank. Because it fills it. Got it? 8 hours तक A units आया, 7 hours तक B units गया और ये टैंक भर गया. Instead, if pipe A is open at 2 p.m. and pipe B is open at 4 p.m. So we are writing down the second scenario. Then the tank is full at 6 p.m. Tank is full at 6 p.m. So 2 minus 4. So this worked for 4 hours. And 4 minus 6. This worked for 2 hours. So 4A minus 2B is also equal to the capacity of water tank. You divide this and what you will get? 8A minus 7B is equal to 4A minus 2B. So 4A is equal to 5B, or I can say A by B is equal to 5 by 4. So let the capacity of A be 5 units and B be 4 units. Efficiency of A be 5 units and B be 4 units. And this will give me the capacity of the water tank 4 into 5, 20 minus 2 into 4, 8, 20 minus 8. So the capacity of the water tank is 12 liters. If pipe B is not opened at all, in minutes the time taken to fill the tank is. So 12 liters divided by 5 units will give me 2 hours and remainder is 2 by 5 of 60 minutes. So 12 into 2, 24 plus 120. So the answer is 144 minutes. They have asked me in minutes. The answer is 144. Answer is C, Calcutta. Please let me know in the comment section how many of you solved this correct. See the length of the question, and this is the scary part. But if you are reading this and writing down everything, you will definitely get the answer in just minutes. There was no complex equation, there was no complex situation which we cannot figure out. Everything is so sorted. You have to just follow the approaches and the basics clearly and you will be able to do this. Next. John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish a job. Jack and Jim together take 1/3 of the time to finish the job. Then John takes. How many of you are listening to this? Please don't cheat me, okay? I trust you. Just pause the video here. Try it yourself and then play it to watch the solution. So let's come to the solution. If you're done with your pausing part, John takes twice as much time as Jack to finish the job. So John takes twice as much time as John to finish the job. So he's taking 2x and Jack is taking x time. Okay. Jack and Jim together take 1/3 of the time to finish the job. Then John takes working alone. So let Jim be taking y time. Now, what is the time taken? So John takes, what is the time taken by John? John is 2x is equal to, Jack and Jim takes 1/3 of the time. So 1/3 of the time taken by John. So how long will Jack and Jim take? So Jack and Jim will take xy upon x plus y. Xy upon x plus y. This is how we solve, right? 1 upon x, time taken together is always equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So it will be y plus x upon xy. This gives me the efficiency. If I take the reciprocal, so xy upon x plus y is x plus y is the time taken together. So if you have not memorized this, memorize this part. So from here x gets cancelled. So what I get, 2 by 3 is equal to y upon x plus y. If I solve this, I get 2x plus 2y is equal to 3y, or I can say 2x is equal to y, or I can say x upon y is equal to 1 upon 2. So the ratio of x and y is clear, that x upon y is 1 upon 2, or I can say y is equal to again 2x. So the time taken by Jim is 2x. Now I know the time taken by 3, I can solve anything. Even if it is in variable, it is perfectly fine. This session is meant to tell you that Variables should not scare you. If you are doing the concepts correct, if you are doing the basics, if your basics are at place, then definitely you should be able to solve this. So moreover, in order to finish the job, John takes 3 more days than that. So John takes 3 more days. 2x is equal to 3 more than what? More than that of taken by 3 of them working together. So how long 3 of them will take? So they will take 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2x. Let's calculate the time taken together. 1 upon time taken together is equal to this. So 2x is the LCM. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 2x is equal to 1 upon t. So time taken together is equal to 2x upon 4, or I can say x upon 2. So time taken together is x upon 2. So what they are saying, in how many days will Jim finish the job working alone? So let's calculate the value of x. So working together is x by 2 plus 3. So they are saying John take 3 more days than the time taken by 3 of them together. From here we will get the value of x. 2x minus x by 2 will give me 3x by 2 as 3, or I can say x comes out to be 2. If x comes out to be 2, how many days will Jim finish the job? So Jim can finish the job in 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 days. So the answer is 4 days. So there was nothing given in the question, and this is what scares the student. You can look at it, nothing was given. We calculated everything. The only thing is keeping patience, writing down the variables accordingly, memorizing the formula so that you don't create any blunders or do any mistakes. So this is it, and you got the answer correct, right? So quickly tell me in the comment section how many of you got the answers correct. And with this, we are done with time and work. Thank you for watching this session. Stay tuned with us. Like, share, and subscribe. And please let us know in the comment section what all variety of questions you are expecting from Supergrads so that we can come up with more such sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day.